everybody. Do you have a child struggling with learning or behavior? If so, you might want to look at the gut in order to heal its brain. Hi, my name is Leaky Garcia. I'm an integrative developmental and educational specialist, and my focus is helping you to reverse the learning and behavior challenges that your child is experiencing. In this episode, I'm going to talk about my 5 top ways to heal a leaky gut. But before we do, don't forget to subscribe so you can see my videos as soon as they come out. Okay. In the last video, we discussed lipopolysaccharides, or LPS, and how it has a damaging effect on the body, especially in the brain. They not only contribute to a leaky gut or a compromised intestinal wall, but they are the most pro-inflammatory substances that we probably have. So in order to heal from many conditions, including brain-related ones, it's important to heal your leaky gut and cut down on the inflammation. So the top 5 ways to heal a leaky gut. Number 1, food and herbs. Okay, so food is your medicine. So food can be your poison and your medicine. You have to choose your foods widely. So things for leaky gut, things like bone broth is really good. If you have a problem with high histamine, though, you're probably not going to want bone broth. Can be high in histamine. Otherwise, it's really good for leaky gut. Collagen, greens, marshmallow root is probably the number 1 herb. Gotu kola is also an herb. Calendula and turmeric. And turmeric is great because it's a spice and you can just easily add it to your food as a spice. And number 2 is probiotics. So we talked in the last episode about megaspore biotic, but using a spore-based probiotic or probiotics that are very specific at targeting the gut. Make sure that you know what your probiotic is supposed to do for you, so you don't just get random strains. Okay, so maybe shop and see what's at your store, take a picture and go home and then look up all those strains and see what they're most known for. Other than that, though, megaspore biotic by Microbiome Labs is specifically formulated for leaky gut, and there's 5 specific strains. Then we have prebiotics. Prebiotics are food for the probiotics. So if you have SIBO, you're not going to really want to be using prebiotics because you're going to feel a lot of bloating because you have a lot of the bacteria overgrowth in the small intestine. So you would have to go on a special protocol to really gradually wean that in. But Mega Pre is by the same company that makes the Megaspore biotics. So Mega Pre is a really good one to feed the probiotics. And then we have supplements. So we have the food and herbs, probiotics, prebiotics. Now we have supplements to rebuild the wall and decrease the inflammatory cytokines. And Megaspore Microbiome's Mega Mucosa and IgG 2000 are formulated to do that. But otherwise, if you're going to do your own homework, look up supplements that have what it is needed to help repair the gut lining. So supplements. And then number 5 is the LifeWave phototherapy patches that I talked about a few episodes ago. That blends light therapy, acupoints, and frequencies. Those are my 3 favorite healing modalities, but into a single patch, and it's designed to promote self-healing, including inside skin and organs. So we have the stem cell, the X39 stem cell activating patch. I don't even have my patches right here. I didn't think to bring them right here with me to show you, but we have our stem cell activating patch. That one's going to basically activate your stem cells, so those cells can kind of do whatever needs to be done for repair. But we have patch like harnessing, that's great for targeting tissue and organ. And then we have Alavita, which is really good for outside and inside skin, and that whole intestinal lining is your inside skin, the epithelial lining. So for LifeWave, if I had leaky gut, I would be looking up a protocol for using X39, and the carnosine, and then probably even add in some Alavita with that. So in the description below, I'm going to put a link for the microbiome labs. So we have the Megaspore Biotic, Mega Pre, Mega Mucosa, IgG 2000. Those are all different things that can help really address the gut. I'll put the LifeWave Phototherapy patch link also below, so you can have a link to that. And then I'm going to put a link to my calendar in case anybody wants to hop on a call to figure out what specific, if you need more of a specific protocol, or if you have any other questions or want to know more about anything in particular, okay? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and until I post the next video, have a blessed week.